Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can format your pen drive or removable storage. So I have my drive H right here. So to format drive H, let's first view the content. So you can see we have some few applications here. So to format the drive, all you need to do is to right click on it, then you come to format. Yes, format, or let's say let me move to show options to fit the Windows 10 also. So you come to format here, and after you choose format, you choose your file system, whether you want NTFS or the FAT32. So I prefer the NTFS because it's most compatible with all other files. So I've chosen the NTFS. So then you hit start and OK. So you wait for it to format. Within a few seconds it will be done. Yeah. So now you hit OK and you close the dialog box, and now let's check the contents, and now we can see that nothing is on the drive. Okay, so thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the video if it helped you. Please remember to like also, so that you can help boost the algorithm that promotes the video. Thank you. This is Freddy Tech. I'm out.